Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can report a YouTube channel on YouTube. It's pretty simple. So let's say I want to report this channel called KSI Clips on YouTube. Right beside the video, I can click on the three dot, and over here I can click on where it says report, and I can report a video in this way. But if you want to report the entire channel, like not just a video, in that case you need to go inside their channel. You can click on the profile picture of their channel and it's going to take you inside their channel. Once you're inside their channel, at the top right you're going to see the three dots. Click on the three dots and click on where it says report user. Once you click on report user, it's going to take you to a page where a report is going to be created. Now over here, as you guys can see, you can choose under which violation you want to report him. So you want to choose any option from over here. If you don't find the clear option, you can click on none of these issue and click on next. Once you do that, as you guys can see, it's showing you all these community guidelines option. But by doing that, you have just reported the channel. And just like this, you guys can report a YouTube channel. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. For future videos like this, I'll see you guys next time.